Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how to subscribe to FSD, full self-driving, through the main screen in your Tesla vehicle. So what you want to do is click on the little car icon down here in the bottom left-hand corner to open up our menu. Once you have your menu opened up, it's really simple. You just need to scroll down here towards the bottom, and we can see we have our upgrades option down here, so we're going to click on that. If you haven't already purchased or subscribed to FSD, it should show up in this area. I also want to show you where you can subscribe to FSD through the Tesla app. So launching the Tesla app and on the vehicle that we would like to subscribe to FSD to, what we're going to do is scroll down to the bottom of this page. And we want to look for where it says upgrades and click on that. And then we want to click on software upgrades. And if you haven't already subscribed to FSD, it should show up in this area with a subscription option. Now this account is currently subscribed to FSD, so I can also click on where it says manage to check on the status of that. And then in the active subscriptions area, I can see the full self-driving subscription option right here and when the current billing cycle is over. If you ever want to check on the status of your full self-driving subscription, you can check on that in your software tab, so opening that up. Once you scroll down and find where it says full self-driving capability, it's going to show when your current subscription expires if you're subscribed to it. If you own FSD outright, it should just say that you have the full self-driving capability and it won't expire. If you turned off automatic billing, it will show you the date that you'll have FSD active. Once it reaches that date and you're not charged again, if you had turned off that automatic billing, then it would expire on the date that is listed there.
Thank you to Joa for supporting this video and the content on my channel. Please consider checking out Joa's premium Tesla products and accessories through the link in the description. Use my exclusive discount code THANKS at checkout to save. I appreciate you watching. Subscribe to the channel for more Tesla content in the future.